Hey guys, Amir here, and in this tech tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to face record while screen recording while audio recording on Mac Software 2018. Let's get started. Alright guys, so the first step in recording your face while screen recording while audio recording is you need to open up QuickTime Player, which is an app, so you can open it up in your application bar at the bottom, or you can go to Launchpad and open it. But once you have it open, like right here, you want to hit File, and you want to go to new screen recording. I can't click it because I'm already screen recording, but I'll show you guys a video of what to do once you click this link tab thing. And it's very important you do it this way because otherwise the audio won't pick up and it'll just be your face without any sound. So you need to do it this way. Now here's the video. Alright, so once you have that set up, you want to do the movie recording, which is your face. And by the way, guys, if you want to screen record with audio without your face, then click in the top right hand corner for a link to a video that I made last week about that topic. Anyway, so now that you want to record your face, you want to go to new, File again, and you want to go to New Movie Recording. So as you can see, this is a face camera. In the top top right corner, you can adjust the size, just like this. You can do this for reaction videos like try not to laugh and stuff. They can watch and laugh along with you while they're watching your reaction, so it's pretty cool for that stuff. And if you want to shut it off, what you need to do is you need to hover over this window right here, and you want to click this black button. And while you're recording, you also want to make sure you're hovered off so that this stuff doesn't come while screen recording, because if this stuff does show up, it's going to show up in your screen recording and that won't look good. So you need to make sure you're hovered off. When you want to shut it off, then you hover back on and shut it off. Anyway, so now what you need to do to save it is you can just exit out like that, and either you can save it and you can save it to all these files right here, or you can just delete it, which I'm going to do because I don't need it. So there it is, guys, beginning to end for movie recording, aka face recording. And if you want to shut off your screen recording, then just go up here in the top silver bar right here, and to the very right, not to the very right, but to the mid right, you'll see this circle with a black box in it. You just need to hit that to stop screen recording. So there it is, guys, beginning to end screen recording with face recording with audio. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a like and share it with your friends. If you want to see videos every week, 3 days a week, about cubing, parkour, sometimes music, sometimes comedy skits, subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!